Wait. Magkano nga ba mag-cruise from Philippines to Japan? Kasi di ba sa previous video, na-feature ni Yosh na may cruise ship na ulit sa Pilipinas for a limited time only. And it's sailing from Subic or Manila to Taiwan and Japan. Pero magkano nga ba? Himayin natin ha. Itong una, scheduled for September 26 to October 1. Sa Subic sasakay, then magsisail to Keelung in Taiwan, then to Ishigaki in Okinawa, Japan. Tapos sa Manila ang disembarkation. 5 nights yan. Ang presyo is depende sa cabin type. Pero ang pinakamura is yung interior room. Assuming na dalawa kayo, ang rate niyan ay $888 per person lang. Roughly 51,300 pesos as of this recording. But here's the thing, meron ding quad sharing or 4 kayo sa room. Kapag ganun, yung third guest ay $444 na lang ang babayaran. Tapos yung fourth person, free na yung cruise fare. Medyo masikip na for us yung 4 sa room pero if budget talaga, pwede naman na. Guys, yung rates na yan, kasama na dyan lahat ha. Yung room accommodation, pati full board meals, unlimited yan. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. May mga restaurants na may extra charge pero you can get by na sa mga complimentary restos lang kakain. Included na rin dyan ang access to most amenities ng barko pati ng mga shows. And for 5 nights yan ha, so sulit na. Move on naman tayo sa Manila sailing. October 1 to 7 naman to, 6 nights. Ang ports of call naman nito ay Naha, ang capital ng Okinawa, and Ishigaki sa Okinawa rin. Ang lowest rate naman nito ay for interior room din. $1,088 naman to per person if twin sharing or dalawa kayo sa room. If 3 or 4 kayo sa room, yung third guest ay $544 na lang and free na yung fourth guest. Interior cabin yan ha. Mas mahal yung ibang rooms like ocean view cabin and balcony cabin. And again, kasama na dyan ang lahat ng meals and access to most amenities and shows. Nakapag-Japan ka pa kahit walang visa. Yes, no visa needed kasi hindi naman talaga required yan for cruise ship passengers. May babayaran lang na $10 tourist arrival fee. No international flight needed din. Pero guys, kailangan pa rin ng passport ha kasi palabas ka ng bansa. So kung pangarap mo makapag-Japan ng walang visa or gusto mong matry mag-cruise, this is it. Baka ito na ang chance mo. Just look for this Choose Premium logo sa flyer from any travel agency and ask for their Costa Serena Cruise package. And follow for more cruise tips!